Hello, Fun Fam. Guess what? We are about to surprise Olivia with some new LOL surprises we found for her. Check it out. We have this LOL surprise, interactive live surprise. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I found this at Target. And also this LOL surprise under wraps. Like, I've never seen these before. Like, they're coming out with so many new stuff that I get so excited when I see them. But let's go surprise her. Okay, you ready? Follow me. All right, here we go. Olivia! Guess what? Look what we found for you.
What? I've been wanting these. I saw this on YouTube and this on YouTube.
What is it?
I have this and I have 15 surprises.
Wow, have you seen these before?
No.
You haven't? All right. Should we go make our video?
Yeah, let's go open. So, I'm so excited because my mom got me an LOL under wrap and there's a zipper. If you have one of these at home, it has 15 surprises. So
15 surprises. What's that magnifying for? It's supposed to show you like secret messages, right?
yes,
Like hidden clues?
yeah, like hidden clues or something.
Cool.
So there's a next layer. It goes this way. So I'm gonna open this next layer.
Oh.
Now this is a mini one, and you just close this eye, and then just put this eye in. Hold in. Here's the secret message.
So what do you think? What does the message say?
I'm gonna see. Arrow. It's an arrow pointing up.
Arrow pointing up.
Up mountain. So when I open the next layer, I'm so excited. Comment down below, who do you know who this is? Because I don't know yet. And it's pretty hard to open these. Ask a grown-up to help you open this.
Whoa.
Okay. So it came with this. It's a mini one.
Oh.
You can see secret. So I'm gonna do crown diamond. So right here. Where should I start? Right.
Is that like a secret combination?
Yes.
And
I'm doing
cool.
I'm gonna do candy lemon.
Let's see. The codes are. I can't see it. Hold on, put it down. Let's see.
I can't open this thing. It's like so hard.
So the crazy part is that they have all these combinations so that you can unlock. Oh goodness! Oops. See, to unlock it. You see all these combination codes? So what you do is you find the codes with these clues using the secret magnifying glass. Here are the instructions, and it will tell you exactly what to do. So you get number 1, which is the code cards, right here, number 2, with the magnifying glass to open up the doll. Ta-da! And Olivia is gonna put it in. And what did you put in? Our first code is crown and a diamond. And does it open? Yay!
And
What did you get?
I got a girl. So we unwrap it like that.
Oh.
She's so cute.
How does she look like? Show her.
Her name is Harper, and she is exclusive.
Is her name really Harper? Let's see. Are we just naming her?
We're just naming her.
Uh-oh. Let's see. see if she stands. So this is who we got. Cute. What a cute girl. Okay, so what is her name? We got Thrilla.
Look what we got. We got
So
a
cute. She's so adorable. So our next one was Peace and Heart, and it opened up. Which one, Olivia?
Peace.
Oh, that side. And what did you get in there?
Just
Peace and Heart. All right. On to the next. On the other side. Let's try 4-leaf clover and this little cute little face. See it?
And what?
That cute little face right here.
It opened.
Yay! We got it! Got another surprise packet in there. How awesome. Okay, so how many more do we have?
This one.
Which one? That one or the bottom one?
This one.
Oh no, we did those two already. So we did those two on that side. So now we have to do this side. Oh, I think you got it? Or no?
I think
Nope, not yet.
Diamond Fire.
Diamond Fire? Yeah, we haven't tried that one yet. That one did not open anything. Is it Diamond and Fire? No, it's Fire and a Snowflake.
It's so complicated to find the fire. Snowflake?
Yes. Cross your fingers. Nope, Snowflake didn't work.
Let's try Candy Lemon. Candy Lemon.
Yay!
Open it.
We did it.
Now let's open all
We
of
got
them.
another surprise. So how many surprise packets do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says 15.
8. Did it say 15?
Yeah.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5 surprise bags.
Let's
Blind
open
bags.
this one.
All right.
Wait, guys, hold on. I'm gonna go get my scissors. Hold on. Let's open this one first. I have no idea. It's little fancy glasses, so I'm gonna put this in front.
Oh, oopsie.
It's a red and black cup. Now we're gonna open this one. It might be the earrings or not. Let's see. The little shoe. The bottom. Let's next do this one. It's so small. It's a pacifier. Can't do this. Now it's on.
Look at all the stuff we got.
And we got the outfit. So now let's change her. So we're gonna get the shirt and put it on my fancy girl. She's going to a concert. So we need to dress her very, very fancy though. And
Thrilla. Oh, so here are the clues that we're supposed to be filling out, but we didn't. We kind of did the shortcut way. We were just too excited, right, Olivia? So she's having problems with putting the shoes and the clothes on Thrilla. It's a little bit harder than it looks, so you might need to ask a parent for help. Little glasses, they are so cute and adorable. This is her little water bottle.
back in here.
So cute.
And just close it.
What do you think about these new capsules?
It's awesome. And this is how she looks like.
Cute.
Her name is Thrilla.
So it's super cute. So this is how she came out to look with her whole outfit on. very cute. So that's it. That's how she looks, and she's done.
I love this Ella unwrapped. And for my mom, we're giving away free toys, so smash that thumbs up, give it a like. Bye!